The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has really taken the market by storm. Fans all over the world are raving about how thin and light it is, and Samsung is happy to say that it has already broken pre-order records. The Fold line has made it clear that it is the market leader in foldable books. But now comes the fun part. Samsung isn't going to slow down. The company isn't even ready to celebrate its success yet. It's already getting ready to push the limits again. It has been said that not one, but two new Galaxy Z Fold models will be released next year. What's the big surprise? One big difference between these two folds is the size of their screens. Samsung is planning two different versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 for 2026. As for the designs, one is likely to stick to the norm, while the other could totally change the way we think about foldables. It's said to have an 18:9 aspect ratio, which means the screen is a perfect square and bigger on the inside. This design could completely change the folding experience, making it easier to do more than one thing at once, play games, and watch videos. ET News says that Samsung has already begun talking with makers of parts, and the launch window looks like it will be in the second half of next year. That time isn't a mistake. There are rumors that Apple is working on the first folding iPhone. Samsung wants to stay ahead of the competition by trying out new and risky designs before Apple joins the race. Obviously, this new fold isn't the same as Samsung's other project, the Galaxy Z Trifold, which is a highly expected three-fold phone. This futuristic gadget will be released later this year. It will have a 6.5-inch cover screen, a huge 10-inch inner screen that can be folded in half, 3 cameras on the back, up to 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB of storage, and an incredibly thin and light body. Experts in the field think that the market for folding phones will go through the roof once Apple joins it. That's great news for users. Every year, new ideas, bolder designs, and better devices come out because there are more users. These days, foldables aren't just a special item. They look like they will be the next big thing in smartphones. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.